without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way.
Oh, and by the way, I am Deep and you're watching Bong Indian Vlogs. Let's go! Good morning guys, welcome to a new vlog in a new day. Well, the weather has been very humid and wet today. It has been raining all night long, and even now if you see, it's filled with clouds, the entire sky. Yep, so the weather is really very bad today. So let's go down and let's see. Wet banana leaves look so beautiful. Wait. See, it's filled with the water droplets all throughout the night. My mother has brought a new dress and she's trying it out. Hey, ghoda, looking good. Now just see the fun. I have taken 5 biscuits, okay, and I'm going to go outside and just see what happens. So here is my door. I unlock my door. Tan-ta-da! All eagerly waiting. কি করব আমি তোদের নিয়ে? See, 1 2 3 4 5. Say hi. Say hi. Believe me, they are such adorable creatures. They love you like anything. Just see. They got up inside my house. Hey, hey, niche ja. Down. Get down. Up. Feet. What's in my feet? What's in my feet? So I had just fallen asleep. Okay, I just took a small nap. And the weather is not at all good now. Like the clouds, it's filled with, the sky is filled with clouds and it can rain any moment. But nevertheless, it's no point in staying indoors. When we have made a plan, let's go out. I'll carry an umbrella and let's see if it rains or whether we can successfully execute our plan. Let's see. So I'm out on my way and currently I'm in front of the club called Bali Balok Sangha Club, which is near my house. I'm waiting for one of the students to come, and here is how the club looks.
When you give me those eyes, yeah, baby, you control me. And I need to find your loving, baby.
Yeah, so here comes one of them. Man is coming, Ant-Man. Ant-Man.
Yeah.
So basically, the 3 of us are going to Mio Amore now to buy some snacks. People calculating the cost. That's some yummy chicken pizza as our snacks. Thank you. Thank you. As you can see, the banks of the river Ganges is too crowded today, so it will not be a wise decision to stay here, so we will go somewhere else. So we had to change our destination from the banks of the river to my friend's house, who is the camera light man now, because it was very crowded over there. So we shall have our small picnic over here now.
It's been a long day without you, my friend.
No, actually the weather is very beautiful. Like there's cold breeze out here. It's very silent, much better than the banks of the river, because it was very crowded today. Okay, so amidst all the fun and everything, both of them, they're ISC students. So a few days back, they have received their results. So I would just be asking them what is the post ISC review, whether they're satisfied or not. So both of you, just tell your branch and.
I'm very happy with my number.
I should thank Narendra Modi ji,
Yes.
and I'm from ISC board. Actually, I'm happy with my number, and if it gets more increased, if my number gets more increased, then I could be more happy. But I have to be okay with my number.
So,
Yes.
so the
Okay.
conclusion is people is never satisfied.
Yes.
No matter how much you give them. And he's from science and he's from commerce.
Yes.
So both of you are happy with your number.
Yes, I'm very much happy with my number.
And how is now the feeling of this party, the mood, environment?
I'm really in love with this party, you know. Like the environment, the music, everything is really attracting me a lot.
Actually, in this lockdown, we all are stuck in one home, and after a long time, we are meeting all together, and
We
it's
don't
all
get
good.
we don't get time to meet together. It's after a long time that we're
Yes.
doing that. Okay. So thank you very much. We'll connect later.
Yes.
So yeah, I had a nice time with them. We couldn't go to the banks of the river because it was too crowded today. But yeah, in his terrace we had a small picnic type with cold drinks and chips and the snacks that we had brought. We listened to songs which I couldn't show due to copyright policies. But yeah, we loved the atmosphere over there, and it was nice meeting them after a long time. We think we'll plan out something next week as well, and we shall enjoy that. So it's time to go for dinner. It's already almost 10 p.m. at night. So I'll have my dinner and then we shall do some talking. Rasgulla. And here's my dinner for today. Dal, roti and potato curry. So yeah, I completed my editing work. So I was editing on my laptop and it's 2:15 at night. So today I'll go off to sleep early because my plan is to get up early tomorrow and start the day. That's it for today's vlog. I'm ending my vlog here. We shall meet tomorrow in a new day, in a new vlog with a whole lot of excitement. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video. We shall meet soon. Stay fit and fine. Goodbye. How is the sandwich, Anto? Table answer fucking
Good.